Feel like you are on top of the world in this glorious turn-of-the-century character villa in Kingsland. Boasting 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, an extra office, and a beautiful open-plan living space, this home has pedigree, position, and finish. Welcome to 58 Second Avenue in Kingsland. Seamless indoor-outdoor flow, expansive decking, and a huge backyard makes this your summer haven. Perfectly positioned, close to the Kingsland Village, transport links, great schools. This is where you want to secure your family's future.